Good morning, students. Welcome to the class. Today we will discuss about chapter 1. The name of the chapter is Knowing Our Numbers. Before starting the class, first of all you have to know about the some basic number system. That is, first number system is natural numbers. Counting numbers are called natural numbers. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4 and up to infinity. Second number is whole numbers. The number 0 together with natural numbers are called whole numbers. For example, 0, 1, 2, 3 and up to infinity. Third is even numbers. What are even numbers? The numbers which are divisible by 2 are called even numbers. For example, 2, 4, 6, 8 up to infinity. Odd numbers. The numbers which are not divisible by 2 are called odd numbers. For example, 1, 3, 5 up to infinity. Digit. What are digit? Any number can be written with the use of 10 symbols, 0 to 9. Each digit symbol is called a digit or a figure. These 0 to 9 symbols are called digit, or we can say figure. A number can be written in digits as well as in words. For example, 2. When we write 2 like this, then it is called a digit. But when we write it in spellings TWO2 like this, then we call in words. Writing a number in words is called numerations. When we write a number in words like in spellings TWO2, then we can say this is called numerations. To read and write numbers, two symbols of numeration are Indian system and international system. Today we will discuss about Indian system and international system. What is Indian system? Indian place value chart. In Indian place value chart, there are 4 periods. First is ones, second is thousand, third is lakh, and 4 is crore. In 4 periods, there are some places. How many places is 1 periods? There are 3 places, ones, tens, hundred. In the same way, in 1000 periods, there are 2 places, 1000 and 10,000. In lakh, 10 lakh, crore and 10 crores. Suppose this is a number. We will read and write according to the Indian place value chart of this number. It's very difficult to read this number, but when we put this number in the place value chart, then we easily read it. First of all, we put commas. Start from the last, 1, 2, 3. We will first commas, then count 2 digits, then place commas, then 2 digits and put commas. Now we will write this number in the place value chart. We will start from last 2, 0, 0, 5, 2 and like this. Now we read it. This is the 83 in crore period. So we can read 83 crore 70 lakh 25,000 and 2. Numeration is 83 crore 70 lakh 25,002. Now this is the example of another number. This number, first we will put this in the place value chart. We start from last 901 like this. Now we will read it. 50 lakh 32,109. This is the Indian place value chart. Now we will discuss about international place value chart. In international place value chart, there are 3 periods, ones, thousand and millions. In every period, we have 3 places. Ones, in ones period, there are 3 places, ones, tens, hundred. In thousand, we have 3 places, 1000, 10,000, 100,000. In the same way, million, 10 million and 100 million. This is the number. First we want to read this number, so we will put in the place value chart. We write this in place value chart. Now we will start to read it. 837 million. Now 25,002. This is the example of another number. We will put it in place value chart. Now we will read 5,932,189. Now we can read and write easily when we put the greater number in place value chart of Indian system and international system. I hope आप सबको ये समझ में आएगा. थैंक यू.